that. There we go. So the fact that he's got the arm extended that far and he can still knock over a 6-inch concrete wall without even trying.
He can like bite things out of it. It must be the weight, I assume, of the bucket itself, right?
I believe every imaginable force vector involved with that arm is impressive.
Yeah, hit it on the side, man.
Woo! Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah, let's do the bite approach here.
Constructive violence, yes. Oh yeah,
No, this is completely destructive violence.
Well, you know.
Oh, missed.
You'll see the rebar stick out.
There's a whole big slab that's about to come down here.
Oh yeah.
I think he's reaching for it.
He's gonna do it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, come this way.
Touchdown. Oh yeah.
10 points.
You know that guy, that guy has got the saddle job. Right? I just excavator.
Whack! There we go.
You think they're like Jurassic Park or whatever? Jim, that's why they gave them modes.
Yeah.
You think one wonderful picture?
That's best in the city, huh?